We are a country that people want to come to make their lives better. That has always been part of who we are. The fact that these kids would risk their lives and their safety and their health to make this really dangerous journey tells us more than ever how important it is that we be the United States of America.
We take great pride, this being the first local government public law program in the nation that has effectively stepped up from a humanitarian effect.
Immigrant reform was part of our legislative platform. Our Board of Supervisors thought, what can we do to react to this humanitarian crisis?
And we're going to make sure that the kids who live in this county have the opportunity to be served by the public law office in this county.
Our office, along with the other lawyers in the county, saw this as an opportunity to work together to provide the type of pro bono defense without which many of these young children would be returned to potential death in their home countries. This program benefits children who, under federal immigration laws, are entitled to stay in our community, but without our help, might not be able to do so.
Bruce, our county counsel, gave a presentation to the office.
Who's interested in working on this program?
I immediately volunteered.
I jumped on it.
Heard that someone needed assistance and put my name in.
If there was not legal representation, about 90% were deported back to their countries to face extreme violent situations, rape, in many cases documented death for kids that were sent back. When children were represented, about 50% had viable claims to stay in the country. County employees do their job because they're committed to public service. And this was an opportunity for people that were interested in immigrant rights to be able to represent children who were in dire situations to have a future.
Just thinking about the fact that it could have been my own child, we all stretched ourselves a little bit.
None of us really have experience in immigration court.
I'm assigned to the litigation practice group.
I represent the auditor, controller, treasurer, tax collector, and fire and emergency services.
For an area of law that's unfamiliar and a little bit scary because you have somebody's life in your hands, it's a really neat way of building relationships with other lawyers in the office.
There was some excitement, there was some risk-taking involved.
All of us who are handling these matters were, just from a procedural and legal perspective, trying to help each other along.
Internally, the sense of purpose and good feeling that it provides to county attorneys, as well as the opportunity to work together to address a really important issue.
Bueno, pues para mí es bien importante el ya tenerlos porque se siente más seguro estar aquí porque no puedes tener problemas con migración de que un día van a llegar a tu puerta y te van a deportar.
Feeling for the first time since she had crossed that border, like, I can take a breath, this is okay, and somebody had my back, and it was somebody in government, and that makes me feel like I should participate in this place that I live in. And that's, I think, a really powerful sentiment for somebody to get, especially as an immigrant, when it does really reflect what our country means and how our country was founded in the first place.
So it's been great for morale, and it's been great for our clients. So far we've had about 100% success rate of our active cases.
For other counties and other local governments looking to do this, we hope that they'll look at Sonoma County's effort and see us as a model, and not only doing the right thing, but once again promoting what local counties do, and that's enhancing the quality of life of everyone we touch.